Hey there, if you suffer from lower back pain, you should check out Dr. Stuart McGill's work. Dr. McGill is a professor at the University of Waterloo in Ontario, Canada. For years, he researched spine biomechanics, wrote many books, and conducted more than 240 studies. In fact, many people consider him as the #1 lower back specialist in the world. His goal is simple: understand how the lower back works, how to prevent injury, and how to rehabilitate an injured back. So what did Dr. McGill discover? Endurance training is the key to avoiding lower back pain, not flexibility or strength. So you don't necessarily need a strong or flexible lower back, but your back should definitely have endurance. So how do you do this? Dr. McGill found 3 exercises that, once performed correctly, will increase lower back endurance and potentially lower pain. Before we take a look at them, please remember, it's a good idea to have an expert review your form when exercising. This way you'll execute each exercise correctly and you'll rest assured that you won't hurt yourself. Number 1, the curl up. You can lay on the floor on your back with one leg extended and the other leg bent. You're going to place both your arms underneath your lower back, maintaining your back in a neutral position. You're going to brace your abdomen, and then you'll raise your neck, head, and shoulders up slowly. Don't tilt your head back or tuck in your chin. You're going to keep this position for 10 seconds. And then you're going to lower yourself back to the ground slowly. You're going to repeat this 3 sets of 10 to 12. And make sure that you alternate so that the opposite leg is bent for 50% of the lifts. Number 2, side bridge. Lie on your left side with the left elbow under your shoulders, forearm on the ground, and the left hand on your right shoulder. Your legs can either be straight with the top front on the floor in front of the other foot, or you can lay with your feet pulled back in a 90-degree angle like this. So without twisting or leaning forward, brace your abdomen, and then you lift your hips off the floor. You're gonna hold this for 10 seconds. And you're gonna lower yourself back slowly. Repeat 3 times on each side. Number 3, bird dog. You're going to lower yourself onto your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. You're going to brace your abdomen, and keeping your spine neutral, you're going to raise one arm forward and extend the opposite leg back. Once the arm is level with the shoulder and the leg is level with the hip, you're going to hold this position for 10 seconds. You'll then lower your arms and leg, and you'll repeat on the other side. Do 3 sets of 3 repetitions. Three exercises approved by the #1 lower back expert in the world. Can we guarantee they'll alleviate your lower back pain? Unfortunately, we can't. Pain is a complex topic that leaves even professionals scratching their heads. The best thing we can do is try various solutions until we find something that works for us. This something is Free Ease. It contains our triple action formula that lowers pain and helps you move without problems. We won't claim that it'll work 100% for everyone. However, we have close to 30,000 happy customers that worked beautifully for them. So why not give it a try? After all, you're also protected by our 90-day, no questions asked guarantee.